Well, I'm not sure if it's a fender bender or if it's a roadblock. I'm quite sure it's one of the two. Tammy Sue stuff will be Matt Birth, Royce by identification card only, or responding to me pouring a glass of chocolate coffee upon a tree near the exit of Love's, downtown Houston, Interstate 45. Anyway, Tammy Sue stuff will be Matt Birth, Royce by identification card only. It might be a response to me asking my boss to get down here and find out who that was wearing my face that the security chased off yesterday.